Forbes Precision Tools and Machine Parts Limited, a part of the Shapoorji Pallonji Group, is one of the largest round tools manufacturing company established in 1954, offering the entire range of high-speed steel and carbide tools portfolio, taps, drills, end mills, rotary burrs, dies and die nuts under the brand name Totem, manufactured at a world-class facility at Waluj, Aurangabad, India. Totem is the largest manufacturer of high-speed steel threading tools in India that offers high-performance threading solutions to automobile, aerospace, defense, power, oil and gas, electricals and electronics, railways and heavy engineering industries. These tools are produced in the state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. Our product portfolio covers all thread forms and customized solutions to suit different material applications. Totem offers product range in metric starting from 1 mm to 170 mm and equivalent of imperial. The product range is also available in DIN, ISO, JIS, ANSI. Totem's HSS drills stands for excellent performance made from premium grade high-speed steel. Our range includes jobber, stub, long, extra long, taper shank and center drill series. We also offer HSSE black and gold jobber series. Also, we manufacture HSS drills for aerospace and power tool accessories. Totem offers extensive range of solid carbide tools to manufacturing industry in automotive, aerospace and defense, oil and gas, die and mold, medical, railway, power and energy segments. Product portfolio includes standard and special solid carbide end mills, drills and reamers ranging from 0.3 to 32 mm with advanced coating. We provide cost-effective solution for deep hole drilling diameter 3 to 20 mm for L by D 15, 20, 25, 30. Totem offers complete range of carbide thread mills including all thread forms. Totem tungsten carbide burrs offers deburring solutions for different material applications including difficult machine material to ductile material. All burrs are available in single cut, diamond cut, aluma cut and double cut which have optimal material removal rate. Products are available in two-piece construction and in full carbide. We cater to forging, casting, fabrication, die and mold, aerospace, shipbuilding, oil, gas and energy and medical segment. All our products are available in a wide variety of shapes, cuts and sizes. Also available in imperial sizes. Totem is one of the leaders in carbon steel taps and dies in Southeast Asia. Totem high carbon tools are produced in very close tolerances which makes them best among competition. Excellent thread finish and close tolerances make them preferred choices of technicians. Totem makes dies and die nuts in carbon and high-speed steels to international standards widely used in sanitary and brass applications. Dies are also made available in solid and split versions based on tolerances requirements. Our endeavor has been always to consistently provide tools that should be known for their quality and performance. Today, Totem's market performance over 7 decades can be gauged from the fact that we have the largest distribution network in India and a global presence in more than 20 countries. We not only make world-class tools, but world-class manufacturing professionals. Totem, made in India for the world.